Hello, Palsy here. Today, just real quick, something to clarify, because there was some confusion from several messages that I got from many people. I was asked if I actually treat synkinesis. Some people were about to schedule with me, and that was not specifically mentioned on my page. I rectify that, and yes, I do treat synkinesis. I do not only treat Bell's palsy or facial paralysis in the early stage, but through the whole spectrum. And not only for Bell's palsy, but Ramsay-Hunt syndrome, Lyme disease, zoster herpetae, vestibular schwannoma, post-facial surgeries, lots of tumors, lots of different reasons for having facial paralysis. And yes, I do rehabilitate all of it. So please check my link in the profile. This is where you will find more information on how to work with me if you need help with your synkinesis. Have a good one, and I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.